course, the day of the comeback, we have no batteries that work in the house. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Alexa, and welcome back to my channel. Woo! So I am very excited right now because today is finally the day the Monstaex's comeback is here. This is the real one. I'm excited. In case you didn't know, I'm in my Monbebe feels, and I've been feeling. I'm just so excited. And when I'm in my Monbebe feels, and Monstaex has a comeback, perfect timing. I love them, these guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the comeback. I'm really hyped for it. Vice in the group, don't have one ever since the concert. That was a concert. I just came back from work, put on my makeup as fast as I could, and tried to dress all nice because it's Monstaex. Because come on, I have to kind of go crazy for them. I've seen pictures of the comeback, and oh man, they look good. They look so sexy. My light stick is not working because our batteries are trash in the house because we don't have any new ones, so we gotta get some new ones. So just pretend that this is lighting up, all right? I still want to support them. Just pretend it's on, all right? Whew, all right. Am I ready? No, but can I do it? Maybe. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna survive this. Okay, you got this. Come on, girl. You got this. Come on. You got this. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Sounds good. Oh my god, it looks so hot! What is this dance move? I will learn that. Oh shoot! I love this sound! Oh my god, they're so hot! Oh my god, he's so hot! Alright, Mini Man! He's not small, but I don't know why I called him that. I'm sorry. Oh my god, that was so... That was hot! Oh shoot! I already love it. But this velvet though, these velvets on the outfits. You better go. Uh-oh, here we go. Come on, Juju. Come on, Juwan. Oh, okay, I feel Iam's coming. Here he comes. Okay, he's not coming. Maybe in the next verse. Let me turn this up a little bit, because this is good. Oh my god! Yeah! Oh god, yes! Those are my guys! Those are my homeboys! No! He did that! Oh my god, I am. I'm so glad I followed them on Instagram, Twitters, every social media. You name it, I follow them. This shit is dope. Oh my god. I would go crazy if I heard this live. Oh god, this is great. I love this so much. sound. I love this new sound that they did. I love this. They did that. They did that. They did that. Oh, oh, they did that. Oh god. Oh my god. That was so great. They did a new sound. I am in love with this. Ah. Oh. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my god, I've been so pumped for this comeback and I am satisfied with my care. Today was a boring Monday, but guess what? I watched Monstaex's video and now I'm entertained. Now they made my Monday better. God, that was awesome. I loved it. I love it. Yes, I love it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry if I freaked out. I'm sorry I freaked out, everyone. I'm sorry, but I love this group. I love this group. I love them so much. Like, oh, thank you, Monstaex, for this video. I really appreciate it. I don't know what else to say. Obviously, I'm gonna download this song right after this. But yeah, I really did love the video. It was great. I love, like, the visuals, of course. I really love the velvets that they were wearing. Not velvet, silk. Silk. I don't know why I said velvet. It just, the word is silk. It's silk. That's what it is. Why do they look so good? They all look handsome and sexy and I'm so jealous. A little jealousy. Man. I hate being a potato. But I did enjoy it. It was awesome. I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share this video. Also, if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do have some Monstaex videos. I'll leave a playlist somewhere over here. I have no idea where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to put it somewhere. Comment down below who is your bias in Monstaex. I don't got one because your girl don't have one because she's stuck between 3 men. Make sure you support Monstaex as well. And yeah, this is me signing off. If you want to keep up with me, follow me on social media. Links are down in the description box down below. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.